Good morning, children. Welcome you all to the pointing class, map pointing class. In yesterday's class, many children they have to active part in practicing the map pointing which is given in yesterday's class. Okay, and children, you all of you keep up the same zeal to practice the map pointing. So if you do so, surely I'm telling you, you may score full marks in the map pointing. Now let's come to the minerals chapter, children. In this minerals chapter, see, I'm focusing on the minerals chapter and also in the water resources chapter because these two chapters were deleted from the syllabus. But children, he is going to ask the map pointing from these two chapters. That's why you need to practice the map pointing from these two chapters. Okay, children? So in today's class, we will discuss about the nuclear and thermal power plants. Okay. So it's very simple, children. I'll tell you how to do it. Children, there are only 7 nuclear power plants. Only 7 nuclear power plants, children. So which are given in red color. You can see Narora, Rawatbhat, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kaiga, Kalpakam. Okay. So these are the 7 nuclear power plants, children. So you practice these 7 nuclear power plants in one map pointing. That too only in the political map pointing. Okay. And the remaining thermal power plants. So you need not practice all the thermal power plants, children. The frequently asked thermal power plants I am going to tell you now. You please underline them and you practice those only. Fine. So let me start. So here you can see here Bongaingon. Okay. Bongaigon. This one and Barauni, Durgapur, Singrauli, Chandrapur, Ramagundam, Kottagudem. Children, Ramagundam and Kottagudem, both of them are thermal power plants only. But thing is, if they ask Ramagundam, Kottagudem, they will not ask. If they ask Kottagudem, Ramagundam, they will not ask. So please children, you practice both of them. But children, one thing you have to remember is, both of them are lying in the Telangana. See, you can see the bifurcation, the border line here, okay? And Neyveli. Neyveli is in Tamil Nadu, okay? Kalpakam is a nuclear power plant. Neyveli is a thermal power plant. So that you keep in mind. The next, here also you can find Nasik. Nasik is also important one. Nasik power plant also you practice. The next, Sabarmati. Here you can see Sabarmati. It is also important thermal power plant. Okay. So very rarely they'll ask Satpura. Satpura power plant, but if you want to practice, but if you practice, it will be better for you. Okay, children, you practice this thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. So see, children, many a times you'll be get confused that what is a coal field and coal mine. Here you can see here, children. For example, this is all coal field. Okay, so but this is a coal mine. The place where they mine the coal is called coal mine. Not only coal, children. If you start mining iron ore, it's called iron ore mine. Okay? But here they're mining the coal, that's why it's called coal mine. But coal field is different. Means at up to which extent of area the field is lying, no, that's called coal field. So they'll not ask you coal field. Very rarely they'll ask you, but very frequently they'll ask you coal mine. Singareni is a coal mine, children. I just told you Ramagundam and Kottagudem. Ramagundam and Kottagudem are thermal power plants which are lying in the Telangana. But Singareni is lying in the Andhra Pradesh. So this one you see carefully. This also you practice. I hope you understand, children. So here also you can see Neyveli coal mine is here and coal field is here. So you please see this coal mine and coal field very carefully and point out correctly in the map pointing. So they'll be going to ask you like this. They'll mark out a symbol and they'll ask you to find out whether it's a coal field or coal mine or iron ore mine. Okay, see here A, B, C, D, ABC marking is given and they ask you to A, iron ore mine, coal field, coal mine. So they'll be asking like this also. Sometimes they'll be asking in this way, thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. Okay, children. So anyways, you need to practice the map pointing in the political map only. Okay, children. So you please practice those map points which are given today, and please, if you are interested, please submit it to me also. It's of no issue. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.